Resurge is a fat-burning sleep aid supplement formulated by health professional John Barban that aims to burn fat and heal the body overnight with no changes to diet or exercise. What is Resurge? Resurge is a diet pill that claims to help you sleep, then lose weight as you sleep. Resurge is exclusively available, link below in description, where it's priced at $34 to $49 per bottle. The makers of Resurge claim that we naturally possess more fat-burning and healing potential than most of us realize. Resurge claims to access this fat-burning and healing potential within you, helping you heal your body and lose weight overnight. And now you can begin tapping into your body's true potential easily, naturally and automatically, overnight. How does Resurge work? To target HGH, Resurge contains ingredients that help you sleep, which purportedly raises your body's production of HGH overnight, helping you lose weight with no diet or exercise changes. Typically, you must actually inject yourself with hormones or similar compounds to impact HGH levels. Exercising or certain therapies can also impact HGH. Resurge, however, claims you don't need to inject yourself with steroids, exercise, or perform certain therapies to raise human growth hormone levels. Instead, you just need to take their supplement. In fact, during John Barban's compelling, educational and highly informative presentation about Resurge, he explains why the Resurge pills will work independently of standard diet, exercise and lifestyle changes. By taking Resurge daily, you can support human growth hormone levels in your body. By supporting HGH levels, Resurge claims to help you lose weight, heal your body, and enjoy other powerful energy-enhancing benefits. Scientific evidence for Resurge. The makers of Resurge have not tested the supplement on any human or animal subjects. They have not conducted any clinical trials or scientific studies on the formula. Despite the lack of direct clinical evidence, the company acknowledges that thousands of men and women use their formula for HGH, weight loss, and other whole-body wellness benefits. The company does cite 16 studies on its reference page on individual ingredients within Resurge. First, Resurge's most noticeable ingredient is melatonin. The supplement contains 10 milligrams of melatonin, which is considered a high dose. Melatonin has been linked with sleep in multiple studies. In this 2014 review study, researchers reviewed dozens of studies on melatonin and found that it could help people restore circadian rhythm after jet lag, shift work, and other things that disrupt your body's sleep-wake cycle. Overall, Resurge seems to work best as a sleep aid or anti-anxiety supplement. The formula contains ingredients that could help you get a deeper, more restful sleep while also reducing anxiety. There's no evidence that Resurge can significantly raise human growth hormone (HGH) levels, however, or have other powerful effects. It's an advanced weight loss sleep aid that could help your body enjoy a better, more effective sleep. No one needs to be told how vital sleep is to the human body and brain. And with all of the current 24/7 daily news cycles, non-stop alerts and notifications, giving the body's ecosystem a steady supply of deep rest-enhancing ingredients, it should be a no-brainer when the facts are presented, and the rise of Resurge has been nothing short of incredible this entire year. Who's behind Resurge? Resurge was created by Lisa Etwell and John Barban, a brother and sister duo from Canada. John has a background in exercise physiology, sports medicine, and personal training. He has also worked with a range of supplement companies, including MuscleTech, NX Labs, and Blue Star Nutraceuticals, among others. Final word. In closing, Resurge is a nutritional supplement that makes bold claims about its impact on human growth hormone (HGH) production, weight loss, and sleep. In reality, Resurge is a natural sleep aid with the ability to effectively induce the fat-burning REM stage of the sleep cycle each and every night. The Resurge weight loss formula contains ingredients that help you sleep like melatonin, Griffonia simplicifolia, and magnesium, and may help relieve anxiety like L-theanine and ashwagandha. Although there's no scientific evidence Resurge will help you get skinnier overnight, or lose weight with no changes to diet or exercise outside of what John Barban mentions during the presentation found on the official website down link below in description. Act now and take full advantage of the incredible value Resurge Deep Sleep Formula Supplement has to offer right now. Thanks for watching. Click on link below to buy Resurge.